Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk through is Leetcode number 472, concatenated words. So we are given an array of strings, words without duplicates, and we need to return all the concatenated words in the given list of words. So a concatenated word is defined as a string that is comprised entirely at least of two shorter other words in a given array. So let's take another example here. So we're cat, cats, dog, cat, etc. You can see. So the output required is cat, dog, cat. So because cat, dog, cat can be concatenated or comprised by cat and dog and cat, which can be found in the original list. And also dog, cat, dog can be concatenated by dog, cat, and dog. And these three subword can be found in the original list as well. So we have another one that is rat, cat, dog, cat. So rat, cat, dog, cat. All these words can be found in the original list. So I think this is a little bit more simple example. As you can see, cat, dog. So this word can be separated by the two smaller words, which is cat and dog. So this problem was asked by Amazon. So Amazon's crazy about this question. So let's take a look at how can we solve this problem. First, we have a word set, which is converting the original list to a set, which takes a little bit less time to look up. And then we have a function called goodWord. So basically, we loop through all the index from 1 all the way to the length of the length of the word -1, because the range does not return the last index. And then we have a prefix and suffix. So prefix is everything before the index, including the word at that index, and suffix is everything after. And if the prefix is in the word set, and if the suffix is in the word set, or if the suffix can be pushed back to this function, so it's a recursive function, and then we return a true. And then at the end, if this is a good word, we append it to the answer, and at the end we return the answer. And this function logically it works well and by concept, but it's a bit slow. It's gonna run out of time for Leetcode validation, because as you can see, a lot of for example, for this example in here, a lot of repeated work going on in here. So that's why this is not the most efficient solution, and we can optimize based on that. How can we do that? And I have written a slightly better function. It's called check. Basically the same as the last one, good word. But the enhancement is we use a dynamic programming. So we use a memorization dictionary that keep track of all the intermediate steps, so we don't repeat our work. So let's take a look at it. So we still have the prefix and suffix, and if the prefix, yes, this part is very similar to what we had before. However, the enhancement is that we have the memorization dictionary. So if the given word is already in the memorization dictionary, and then we don't do the rest, we just directly look up that dictionary and then return it. And also another enhancement is that if the length of the word is only 1, we don't need to do the rest, because there's no way to there's no way to another word that is concatenated for that word. And when we write this memorization dictionary, after we check it, before we return the function, we also save the result to the memorization dictionary. So, and this one will be for the future use. So let's run it. So you can see it passed all the tests. For time complexity wise, imagine if the list is all different words and none of the words in the set can be concatenated by any other word in the set. In that case, that would be the worst case scenario. That means we have to loop through the entire for loop. So in that case, so will be the time complexity will be O of k times n. So k being the longest, the length of the longest word, and n being the number of words. That would be the worst case scenario. And for space complexity, we're gonna be big over n because we have the memorization dictionary, also the word set in here. So that's so much for my solution. I hope this is helpful. If it does, please like and subscribe. That would be huge support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.